Okay, here's the moment of truth. Well, today, unfortunately, I'm making a video that I really had not anticipated on making. We're pulling the engine back out of the Corvair. Hey everybody, welcome back to Auto Anatomy. I am Sean. Today we're back working on the Corvair. Now, if you saw in a previous video, I was driving the car and all of a sudden the car was running cold. And I mean, it's a cold-natured car, and it backfired one time, and then maybe 30 seconds later the car stopped moving forward. Engine was still running, downshifted, no change, no moving. Put it in second, first, reverse, nothing. So I coasted into a parking spot and called a tow truck. Now today is the first day that I've had a chance to work on it. My suspicion is that there is no connection between the engine and the transmission, because I can crank the engine up and any gear, doesn't matter, first, second, third, fourth, reverse, I can go fourth to reverse without it grinding, without it moving, without it doing anything. I've got it in the garage. I have not run the engine with the car up in the air where I can really take a look at it. So let's get the car up in the air and see if we can diagnose what's going on. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for checking in. If you like these kind of videos, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell to be notified when new videos come out. It's an absolutely free way to help support our channel. I really appreciate it. Now, let's go take a look and see if we can figure out what's going on with the car. Well, the engine came out pretty quickly. I'm really amazed how fast this thing comes out. I took my time and it was about an hour to get the entire drivetrain out of the car. Now that the engine and transmission are out, let me pop the transmission off. Again, I think this thing probably does have a broken input shaft, because when I turn the spider gears, let me set you down here, and you can hear something spinning. So all the gears in the transmission sound like they're moving smoothly, and I don't feel any chunks or, you know, any big slop or anything. So, and the spider's working, so I don't think it's broken the spider gear. All right, let's pop this transmission off and see what we have. I don't know why I'm stooping down so low. This thing is on, this thing will lift up. That's better. With the bottom two bolts out, all that's left is 1, 2, 3 bolts, and we should see exactly what's broken here. Okay, here's the moment of truth. And it is not a broken input shaft. Okay, now what is it? So I have to say, I'm actually very surprised about this. I really expected the input shaft to be broken. But looking at it here, the splines are nice and straight. Doesn't look like any wear at all on them. But one thing I did notice, let me see if I can pull you in here to see this. So when I pulled the input shaft out, look at that. The hub on the clutch is moving back and forth like it's become disconnected from the disc itself. Okay, let's pull the pressure plate off and see what it looks like. Coming around to the workbench, I've got the clutch disc out, and you can see the disc is brand new. I mean, I just bought this thing, but I don't know if you can see, the hub has come loose from the disc itself. So when the engine was spinning, this guy was just rotating on the shaft and not engaging the transmission at all. Clarks, I have to say I'm kind of disappointed. I know things happen, but I'm going to reach out and see if maybe we can just swap this thing out, because I've got, you know, 500 miles on this clutch disc, and I wasn't driving it hard when it happened. So well, at least we have an answer as to what's going on with the car. I'll get on the phone with Clark, see if I can get another disc on the way. In the meantime, it actually makes what I need to do on the engine a little bit easier. I've got some upgraded parts and just some replacements that I've been meaning to do on the Corvair. But with the engine out, it makes it so much easier. So that's gonna wrap up this video. I know it's a little shorter one, but we've got a lot of projects coming up on the car in the future. Thank you so much for watching. God bless. We will see you next time.